We've been having a bit of a storm here in Hangzhou tonight. This is the road outside my accommodation. You can see in the news that there have been floods all over China, but this is the rainy season in Hangzhou as well, and yeah, it's certainly it's certainly been raining today. I don't know where my dog is. What are you doing in the water? Huh? Why were you paddling? My wife's not going to be happy with that. Oh yeah. So you can see a bit of a problem. Let's get out onto the main road. Oh, whoa, whoa. Yo, 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 yo. We could see it from our window that this area was getting flooded. And we'll walk round to the back gate. That guy was just blasting up a bow wave. I missed it. So yeah, rainy night in Hangzhou. Here we go. Oh no, it's not so deep over there. Oh, here we go. Here's a car coming. See if we can see him pushing up a bow wave. Oh, he's slowing down. Oh, you can hear it. He wasn't going as fast as the other guy. I got wet feet. A wet dog. Oh, the bike came through it okay. So, let's have a walk along here. Oh shit, oh no, I've got my umbrella. Yay, a bit of a bow wave anyway. Over there is the building site. I'm guessing all the big holes that they've been digging for the what do you call it, foundations of these office blocks they're putting up. They're going to be pretty flooded, but yeah, we seem to be coming to the end, the worst of it. It seems to be pretty bad over there, but maybe this sort of seems to be a bit of a rise on this piece of ground, and we're coming to the end of the flood. So time to get in, unless we find anything else. If you want to find out about the floods in China, have a look on YouTube. There's quite a lot of it. You know, really serious stuff. The Three Gorges Dam might collapse. I heard in a report that some people who are living on the 4th floor in some apartments are being told, you better move your stuff up because the water's going to hit the 4th floor. That's serious flooding, man. On YouTube you can see, you know, buildings and whole villages just being destroyed. It's pretty terrible. This is the first heavy rain of the season, so I don't know if we're going to get more rain. I hope not. But yeah, it doesn't seem to be so bad here, this end of the compound. So just a bit of localized flooding, I guess, but it was deep enough, you know. I saw on the weather app that we've got more heavy rain tomorrow, so we are planning the day out tomorrow, but we're going over to the art university to see the graduate show, and I think it's about an hour in the DD, so we'll be able to see how bad the rain has affected everywhere. So yeah, this is what we have to put up with. This is outside our apartment. Yeah, and when they're pouring cement, it lasts nearly all night, so it's very noisy at times. Come on, dog, go, go, go. Right, we're going to get in because it's, as I've said, it's damp and we need to get in. So yeah, don't forget, like, subscribe and ding that bell. Good night. Spoke too soon. Yeah, I spoke too soon. The rain's coming on heavy again now, so hurrying up to get back.